The whole new widget intensity minutes let you scrutinize all the details of your intensity minutes every day. In the time page, scroll up or down to enter the widget. Here you can browse how long the intensity minutes you gain that day, the minutes you have already reached that week, and the target of the intensity minutes. You can use your finger to drag the timeline. To scrutinize the hourly intensity minutes change from midnight to now. Scroll up to check the daily intensity minutes of that week. Scroll up again, you can see how many vigorous minutes you need to reach the goal, or the suggested moderate intensity minutes. Swipe right or press the lower right key to get back to the widget list. For more information about intensity minutes, please check this video.